Okay, this is the Stormtronics MT2 mini twister. This is the electro-pneumatic machine that uses a adapter collet that collapses and actually holds the wire. The adapter collet is inserted into what we call the mandrel. The mandrel is pressurized by air and collapses that tubing on top of the wire. Holds it very securely, very delicately, so it doesn't create any damage. The unit has a programmable counter. When we turn the power on, the count comes up. The count is adjustable by hitting set and hitting the up or down button. Right now I have it set for 8 turns. Has air pressure regulator, which regulates pressure at this point. I have it right now for this purpose right at the maximum, just at 60 psi. It has a batch counter that allows the operator to keep track of the count of the assemblies. It's very helpful in production areas. The dial plate and switch, this is the motor speed, which we are running it at approximately 90%. And the direction that it's twisting. This switch is usually used for reworking assemblies. For some reason, maybe the operator had to stop during the middle of production. She can actually untwist that and then retwist it. So there reduces the failure rate. The machine has all of the connections in the back. It uses standard airline fitting air connector. AC, standard 120 volts, and this is our foot switch connector. The foot switch connects to the back of the machine and is typically run to underneath the table to the front so that the operator has accessibility to the foot switch and can operate the machine. The foot switch has 2 stages. The first stage activates air, which clamps the wire. Second stage activates the motor, which turns. Demonstrated by utilizing one of the assemblies. Put the assembly on. The foot switch holds the wire. Second stage, twist it, just as that shows. Very fast. I'm going to run a few samples and show you the speed at which the assemblies can be made. It's very quick. An operator simply hold the assemblies, insert them in, and they're finished. Very consistent results on every unit. An operator can actually do much more than this in a production scenario if that's all they're doing. But as you see, very, very consistent results for every assembly, and that is set for 8 revolutions.